Imagine starting an online business without spending a single dollar. Sounds impossible, right? Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can start dropshipping with zero investment. No website costs, no ads, and no upfront inventory, just pure profit. So if you've been waiting for the perfect side hustle, this is it. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'm revealing some secret tricks that most dropshipping gurus won't tell you. Now let's dive right in. Point 1. What is dropshipping and how does it work? First things first, what exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an online business model where you don't hold any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, you buy the product from a supplier, and they ship it directly to the customer. You act as a middleman, making a profit on the price difference. Example, imagine selling a smartwatch for $50 on your store. You buy from a supplier for $25. The supplier ships it directly to the buyer, and you keep the $25 profit. Rocket, why is dropshipping so powerful? No need to buy products up front. No warehouse costs. You can work from anywhere in the world. Do you think dropshipping is a better option than traditional businesses? Why or why not? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Point 2. Choosing a profitable niche. What to sell. Not all products work for dropshipping. Picking the right niche is key. Magnifying glass still to the left, how to find a winning product. White heavy checkmark solves a problem. White heavy checkmark, high demand, low competition. White heavy checkmark, impulse buy, potential. People buy without thinking twice. Top 5 niches for dropshipping in 2025:1. Smart home gadgets, LED lights, security cameras. 2. Pet products, automatic feeders, chew toys. 3. Fitness and health, resistance bands, posture correctors. 4. Beauty and skincare, facial massagers, hair growth serums. 5. Trending fashion, techwear, minimalist wallets. Want a list of 100 trending dropshipping products? Comment list below and I'll send it to you. Point 3. Finding free suppliers and avoiding scams. Now that you know what to sell, let's talk about where to get these products for free. Best supplier platforms. AliExpress, low prices, global shipping. CJ Dropshipping, faster shipping options. Zendrop, beginner-friendly dashboard. Spocket, high-quality suppliers from USA/EU. Police car light warning. Avoid these dropshipping scams. Fake suppliers who take your money and never ship. Bad quality products that ruin your reputation. Shipping times that take months. Customers will be mad. Would you prefer sourcing from China for low prices or USA for fast shipping? Let me know. Point 4. How to build a free online store. Most people think you need Shopify to start, but what if I told you that you can create a store for free? 3 free ways to set up a dropshipping store. 1. Big Cartel, free for up to 5 products. Point 2. Equid, connects with Instagram and Facebook for easy selling. Point 3. Free WooCommerce on WordPress, more customization options. Bonus, sell directly on Etsy or Facebook Marketplace. No website needed. Which method do you think is the easiest? Let me know in the comments. Point 5. Marketing your store without spending money. No money for ads? No problem. Here's how to get customers for free. Rocket best free marketing strategies. TikTok organic marketing. Post viral product videos. Pinterest SEO. Create pins that drive traffic to your store. Instagram Reels and hashtags. Show off your product in short videos. Reddit and Facebook groups. Find people already interested in your niche. YouTube Shorts. Make 30-second review videos. Example, a TikTok user went viral with a dog toothbrush video and made over $50,000 in sales without spending a single dollar on ads. Which free traffic source do you think works best? Comment below. Point 6. Fulfilling orders and customer service. You got sales. Now, how do you fulfill orders and handle customers? Automate with Oberlo or Serers if using Shopify. Manually place orders on AliExpress for small stores. Use a private supplier for faster delivery. Rocket, how to handle angry customers. Fast responses. Reply within 24 hours. Refund policy. Have a clear return policy. Order tracking. Use apps to provide tracking numbers. Would you rather offer free shipping but higher prices or charge for shipping but lower product prices? Comment below. Point 7. scaling to $10,000 per month and beyond. Now that you've made your first few sales, how do you go from $100 to $10,000 per month? YW Checkmark use influencers to promote your product. Small TikTokers charge as low as $1.50. YW Checkmark reinvest profits into Facebook and TikTok ads. Start small, then scale. YW Checkmark build an email list. Offer discounts in exchange for emails. YW Checkmark test multiple products. Always have 3 to 5 trending products in rotation. What would you do first to scale your store? Let me know. Now you know exactly how to start drop shipping with no money. Rock it before you leave. Here's your action plan. 1. Choose a niche and find a product. Point 2. Get a free supplier and build a store. Point 3. Use free traffic methods to get customers. Point 4. Fulfill orders and scale your business. Which step are you at right now? Comment below and let's chat. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Investosphere, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more money-making tips. See you in the next video.